In this quick video, I will show you how to create a new listing on Facebook Marketplace. So once we have the marketplace opened, on the left click on create new listing and choose the listing type. You can choose item for sale, vehicle for sale, or home, or a rent. I'm gonna choose item for sale. Now on the left, add photos of the product. You can upload it directly from your phone. Then type here title, choose the price, select the category and the condition, if it's new or used, fair, good, or like new. There are many categories to choose. You can promote the listing after publish, and also I like the option hide from friends, so the listing will not be shown to your friends. And then click on next and you will create a new listing on Marketplace. I hope you find it helpful, guys. See you next time.